welcome to our Global Commerce. You need to know our latest updates. Please subscribe our channel. If you like our content, please share it, like it, and comment on it. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the small scale business. In previous class, we have discussed about the large scale business. Now move on to the small scale business. Small scale business means an enterprise or corporation which is characterized by the low initial investment, a small number of employees, and low sales volume as compared to the regular size business. In general, small scale business means we can do and business from the place where we are. We no need an extra place or extra location to start up and company or start up and business. From our home itself, we can do a small scale business with a small number of employees and with a low amount of capital also. Under small scale business, minimum the employees will be employed 10 or below 10. This much only the employees has been available under the small scale business. For example, in small scale business we can take like handicrafts, like they were making some handcrafts from their home itself. For that they no need a large number of laborers, only a small number of laborers are very more than enough when compared to large scale business. Large scale business means we need a large number of employees, large number of capital, and the location should be also in a huge place. So when compared to small scale business, it is a very low process only, and they can gain and profit also. By gaining the profit, they won't get that much of profit, but they can gain and profit which can be utilized for the livelihood process. One is advantages of small scale business. First one is independence, second one lifestyle, third one financial rewards, fourth one learning opportunities, and fifth one is creative freedom and personal satisfaction. First one is independence. Independence means as a business owner, you should keep in mind that you are the own boss. You can't get fired. More importantly, you have the freedom to make the decisions that are crucial to your own business success. That is known as an independence. Second thing is a lifestyle. What was the lifestyle for the small scale business means owning a small business gives you a certain lifestyle advantages because you are in a charge. You decide when and where you want to work. If you want to spend more time on non-work activities or with your family, you don't have to ask for that time off. If it is important that you be with your family all day, you might decide to run your business from your home itself. That is then lifestyle for the small scale business. Next one is financial rewards. In spite of high financial risk, running your own business gives you a chance to make more money than if you were employed by someone else. You benefit from your own hard work itself. That is known as an financial rewards under small scale business. Next one is learning opportunities. As a business owner, you will be involved in all aspects of your business. This situation creates numerous opportunities to gain a thorough understanding of the various business functions. This is certain reasons for the learning opportunities under small scale business. Last one is creative freedom and personal satisfaction. As a business owner, you will be able to work in a field that you really enjoy. You will be able to put your skills and knowledge to use, and you will gain personal satisfaction from implementing your own ideas, working directly with the customers, and watching your business succeed by your small scale business under the creative freedom and personal satisfaction. Thank you for watching our video. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காமல் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் சேனலில் வர லேட்டஸ்ட் அப்டேட்ஸ் வேணும்னா மறக்காமல் எங்கள் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.